Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I want to test out the Glamlite paint palette. I have been dying to test this out since I got it, and I haven't touched it, so today we're going to be playing around with it. First things first, the box is so neat. So it opens up like this. Over here it has a like paintbrush, eyeshadow brush. The palette itself that looks like a little paint palette. The brush is a little weird. It's just a bit of a weird shape for like an eyeshadow brush. It almost seems more like a concealer buffer brush to me, but that's my personal opinion. So I have these little paint palette earrings, and I think what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna follow the colors on my earring. So the first color on my earring is like a light blue. So I think the color that's gonna match that best in this palette is gonna be royal blue right here. Also, if you're wondering why like I already have my base on here, it's because I actually started this video like a half an hour ago, but my power was out, so I was just gonna like film it in natural light, but now my power's back on, so I'm gonna film it like normal. The next color on my earrings is green, so I'm gonna use this right here, which is just called green. Taking the same brush, but I did clean it off with my little brush cleaner. The next color on my earring is yellow. So I'm going to take yellow, and I am taking a different brush because these shades are really dark and yellow's pretty light, so I'm taking a new brush now. Although yellow is pretty pigmented. Wow. Yellow is very, very pigmented. So the next color on my earrings is kind of red, kind of orange. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the two. I'm going to mix red and orange together because the last shade on this, I think it's supposed to be red, but it looks almost exactly like burgundy. So I'm going to end this with burgundy. So I think I'm just going to take orange and red and mix them together. Very bright. Oh my. Okay, so like I said, the last shade looks almost exactly like burgundy. So I'm gonna take burgundy and use that as the last shade. I'm also gonna kind of wing this one out a little bit. And then obviously we have to blend out each one of these shades. I'm just kind of blending it out and down so that I can create like a sharp wing with it later. Now with this little blender brush, I'm gonna go back over each shade and like kind of buff it out just a little bit. See how much of a difference it is to like blend out the edges a little bit? Big difference. Okay, so now that that is all done, I'm gonna go finish up my base makeup and we'll be back to finish the eye look. Okay, so like it definitely needs something more, so I'm kind of thinking I want to go into my Marron Paradise makeup palette and I want to like paint a paintbrush. I really want to add something more to this eye look because it's beautiful. The shades are so pigmented, but like I need more. This just isn't like my level of artiste anymore. First, I'm going into dark brown for like the actual brush handle. Probably gonna have to do a couple layers of this. This would have been a lot easier to do like before I did my eyelashes, but that's fine. Now I'm taking light brown to like draw the paintbrush part, which I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and do like a teardrop shape. This may have been a bad idea. I'm gonna paint like the tiniest black line like right here. Sort of look like where the brush connects to the handle. You guys probably can't even see that, but it's fine. When I take like close-up pictures, I'm hoping that this vision is going to look good. Okay, now I have like a deep red that I want to try and paint like on top of the paintbrush with like a little drop hanging off of it. Okay, so I tried to do like a complicated hair look that I saw on Pinterest and it didn't work out. So just ignore it. I hate that it like sticks out all weird. It's supposed to be like not sticking out. Anyway, so I may regret this, but to sort of tie in the paintbrush, I was actually thinking about taking brown for my lower lash line. I'm just going about 3/4 of the way. What do we think? I think it turned out pretty good. It's not exactly what I had planned for today, but it is what it is, you know? Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful if you're interested. in getting this palette. I believe it's still available. It's kind of like their signature palette, but yeah, it's so good. It's so good. It's a rainbow of colors. They're highly pigmented. They blend super easily. And I would highly recommend this for anybody, and it's pretty affordable, so I will link it down below for you guys if you're interested in getting it. If you enjoyed this video and you aren't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel while you're here. Also give this video a big thumbs up. I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!